Consider subscribing to Tech Gadget now for more leaks and updates on iPhone 11. In the fourth week of September, Apple has scheduled an event in which it will be launching the latest iPhone 11. Three variants of iPhones are expected this time: 6.5 inch, 6.1 inch and 5.8 inch. Apple is expected to include the Apple A13 SoC in the iPhone 11, which will greatly enhance the CPU, multi-core performance and GPU. Pricing of the new iPhone will start at $999 and it will go up to $1,599. The iPhone 11 is expected to have a USB Type-C port for the first time. Other specs of the iPhone 11 are: operating system will be iOS 13 and 5.8-inch bezel-less display with notch and oleophobic coating protection will be there, and it's waterproof, and 813 Bionic chip will be added. 4GB of RAM will be there. There will be triple camera setup at the back with 12, 12 and 12 megapixel cameras and a 4000 mAh battery, and dual SIM support with Nano and eSIM with VoLTE, and no fingerprint sensor including Face ID. iPhone 11 6.1 and 6.5 inch variants will be having triple camera setup at the back, but the 5.8 inch variant will be having dual cameras. Stay tuned with Tech Gadget now for more updates on iPhone 11. Thanks for watching and bye bye now.